guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miki. In this video, let's make this kitty donut together. Now let's get started. We're gonna start from the donut part. Grab your yarn. First, let's make a slip knot. Now, in round 1, let's have 18 chain stitches. Yarn over, pull through, and this V shape is your first chain stitch. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep doing it until you have 18 chain stitches. Now, in round 2, we're gonna connect with the first stitch right here. Just make sure that you're not inserting your hook into the slip knot. It should be the V shape right here. Insert into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull through, and pull through. And now let's have a standing stitch, which is the same as we do in a chain stitch. In round 2, let's have 18 single crochet. I'm gonna insert the hook into the same stitch. Make a single crochet. And now let's keep doing it. In the second stitch, make single crochet. In each stitch, make 1 single crochet, and in this round, you should have 18 single crochet. Please keep doing it. This is the last stitch. And now take off the stitch marker. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over, pull through, and pull through. Now in round 3, first let's have a standing stitch. And in this first stitch, let's have 1 single crochet. And in the next stitch, make 1 increase. Increase means you need to have 2 single crochet in this same stitch. This is a 1 increase. And now in the third stitch, have another single crochet. Now let's repeat this pattern. Single crochet. Increase, single crochet. Repeat this pattern until you finish this round. In round 4, we have a standing stitch first, and in this first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, make another single crochet. In the third stitch, make 1 single crochet. And in the fourth stitch, we have 1 increase. So let's repeat this again. Single crochet, single crochet, and a single crochet. 3 single crochets and 1 increase. Please repeat this pattern. In round 5, have a standing stitch. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the third stitch, make 1 increase. In the next stitch, 1 single crochet. In the next one, another single crochet. So 2 single crochet, 1 increase, and another 2 single crochet. Please finish this round. In round 6, a standing stitch. First, let's have 5 single crochet. And then have 1 increase. Please repeat this pattern in this round. In round 7, a standing stitch. And first, let's have 3 single crochet. And then 1 increase. And another 3 single crochet. Please finish this round. From round 8 to round 10, we do single crochet in each round. And in total, we should have 48 single crochet in each round. Don't forget to have a standing stitch before you start each one. And this is your first stitch, second stitch, and third stitch. Please finish these rounds and I'll meet you in round 11. In round 11, have a standing stitch. We need to have 3 single crochet first. And then we need to have 1 decrease. Insert the hook into the next stitch, but in the front loop only. And then insert into the next stitches front loop. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. And then have another 3 single crochet. Let's try it again. 3 single crochet. And 1 decrease. And 3 single crochet. Please finish this round. In round 12, let's have 5 single crochet first. And then 1 decrease. Repeat this pattern until you finish this round. In round 13, we have 1 standing stitch and 2 single crochet. And 1 decrease. And another 2 single crochet. Please finish this round. In round 14, a standing stitch and 3 single crochet. And a 1 decrease. Please finish this round. In the last round, we have a standing stitch, and in the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. And then make 1 decrease. After that, make another single crochet. Please repeat this pattern. Now, we're gonna sew these 2 sides together, and at the same time, we need to insert some polyfill. Now let's make the frosting. We're gonna start with 13 chain stitches. Make a slip knot. And 13 chain stitches. In round 2, we're going to insert the hook into the second stitch. Make 1 single crochet. In the second stitch, make 1 increase. And in the third stitch, make another single crochet. Repeat this pattern for another 3 times. In round 3, we have a standing stitch first, and flip the piece. In this first stitch, we're gonna have 1 single crochet. This is the first stitch in our round 2. Put a stitch marker on your first stitch. And in the next stitch, make another single crochet. In the next stitch, make another single crochet. And in the next stitch, make 1 increase. Repeat this pattern. 3 single crochet. And 1 increase. Now, in this last stitch, make 1 increase. So this is round 3. For round 4, make a standing stitch and flip it. In the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Again, put the stitch marker. And in the next stitch, make another single crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 increase. And then make 2 single crochet. Please repeat this pattern. In round 5, have a standing stitch, flip it, and in the first stitch, make 1 single crochet. Two single crochet. 3, 4, 5, and 1 increase. Please repeat this pattern. For the ears, we start with 3 chain stitches. Make a slip knot. 1, 2, 3. And in the second stitch, make 1 single crochet. In the next stitch, first we're going to yarn over and insert into that stitch, yarn over, pull out, and yarn over, pull through the 3 loops on the hook together. And then make a slip stitch. This is 1 ear. Please make another one. And now put the items together. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay posted with my latest crochet patterns and tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!